So cutting edge continued. We got our piece here. Clamped it along the backside there, so you're tight on your race bars coming off the bucket. Really happy how it turns out here. You can look down the line and see how straight that bucket edge is. And a lot of times when you cut the old one off, these buckets will spring. So they will not look like this every time. I got lucky. A lot of times when you're air arcing, you want to do it in moderation. Don't do it all at one time, because that's where your heat's gonna pop the bucket. You'll get bubbles in it along here, right along the top here. So if this ain't straight, when you clamp this, it's not going to be straight. So really happy with that. So now we got everything clamped. We're going to tack all the way along here, all the way along the back side. Now once we get that tacked up, I'll be taking some angle iron from the top of the bucket down to this point here to hold everything square as I weld it. And then when you weld it, we're going to weld it in moderation. I'm going to teach you how to do that. It's called staggering your welds. So you want to put welds on the front side here. I'll do like 4 inches at a time, and then on the back side I'll go 4 inches here, and then I'll go 4 inches on top, all the way along, and then I'll let it cool, and then I'll come back and weld 4 inches here, 4 inches there on back side. Because if you weld it all at once, then when it cools, it's gonna get one of these. It's gonna get a bend in it from the heat. With this cutting edge, it's hardened steel. So what I will be doing is I will be preheating all this, because this stuff needs to be heated up to get good penetration. It's real hard steel. Every cutting edge is. Right now we're gonna go through and we're gonna cut our notch here, and then square down to this piece right here. And then we'll piece in the other section. That'll be about like that, straight up, and we'll feather that in. So stay tuned. We will be back, but right now we're gonna get this tacked up.